Palmer's Tower, good afternoon, Kenya. 9520, Mayday, Mayday, Mayday.
Tower, good morning, Kenya. 90520, Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Kenya 7603, cleared for takeoff runway 21 left.
Reach to the right or left, the Apollo pictures. Reach until the arm straight out. And do it with jump and let it fly the plane. Jump and fire on the ground.
Singapore 5387, taxi to runway 21 left.
Southwest 1364, taxi to gate 26.
Palmer's clearance, good morning, Pleasure 6447, ready for pushback at Papa 14.
Palmer's Gran, Azra 8648, taxi to the gates.
Oh my god!
Singapore 5387, hold position. Singapore 5387, continue taxi.
Azra 8648, taxi to gate Tango 10. Azra 8648, hold position. Azra 8648, continue taxi.
Southwest 4319er, continue taxi. Southwest 4319er, hold position.
Palmer's clearance, good morning. Ryanair 3241, ready for pushback at 04.
Southwest 4319er, continue taxi. Southwest 4319er, ready for takeoff runway 21 left.
Perfect! Oh, dude! What a time! Dude! I wanted to the taxi to the gate! It's on my day!
Palmer's clearance, good morning, Southwest 4009er, ready for pushback at Papa 20.
Palmer's Tower, Singapore 5387, request to cross runway. Singapore 5387, continue taxi.
Ryanair 3241 cleared for pushback.
Southwest 4319er cleared for takeoff runway 21 left.
Southwest 4009er cleared for pushback.
Singapore 5387 cleared for takeoff runway 21 left.
Azure 6447 cleared for pushback.
Ryanair 3241 taxi to runway 21 left. Ryanair 3241 hold position.
Palmer's Tower, good morning. ESA 90552 is on approach. ESA 90552 clear to land runway 21 right.
Ryanair 3241 hold position. Ryanair 3241 continue taxi.